So in order to make a custom matchmaking, and I'll teach you how to get in as well. So we're gonna go down twice and then press R2. Under R2, you make your key. So if you have a creator code like me, you can do that. If you don't, you can't. And then we can just go into tech. Let's put a tech 1. Press done, accept. Then we're gonna go into here, for example, change it to squats. Make sure it's fill, and then I'm gonna press play. So for people who want to get in, you're gonna do the same thing. So I can start the match once I see that there's players. So that's on my end. So I can do this because I'm making the custom. Now for you guys to get in, you would do the exact same thing I did, but obviously you guys can't make a custom because you're gonna get into my custom. So you're gonna put the code that I just said. So that's tech 1. Again, that's a code that I made up right now. And that's how you guys can get into customs or make customs if you have a creator code. So I'm gonna share the code right now in the chat. So it's tech 1. If you guys do caps, spaces, anything different than what I just showed you, then there you go. Oh, and one thing I forgot to mention is change to NA East. So everybody has to be in the same server. So it doesn't have to be NA East if whoever else is making this, or if you're making this, then it doesn't have to be NA East, but it has to be a specific server. If you guys don't change that, it's not gonna work. So that's in your settings. Then just make sure it's NA East. So that's your third option under game. Then just make sure it's not auto. Just go to NA East or whichever server. In this case, it's gonna be NA East. All right, so I see that there's 6 people, 9 people, and that's about how many people we had. So I can just start the match at this point. Just make sure it's filled. You have nobody in your lobby for my game. Technically, you can have people in your lobby when you're doing this. Sometimes it does glitch. And sometimes when we pick squads, it doesn't work. Then we have to try trios and then go down to duos, and then finally it works. So that has happened before. So you might have to try a few things. And now we're getting right into the game. So it's just like a regular game. Battle Royale. With Storm and everything.